Welcome back. My name is Trupti and I would like to share some information with you today. Today I have chosen the topic which is reading, how to inculcate reading in children, and I will tell you few things that I have done to inculcate reading in my child. My child has not started reading as of yet, but I'm sure she is going to be a reader and she will read lot of things just like her mother and her father has done. So basically, first thing I would like to address to this issue, because in the world of technology where we have lot of gadgets with us, every child has a gadget, even my child has it, she is no exception. But because of that, the habit of reading has vanished, or maybe it has reduced. And yes, there are many readers even now, but still we don't read so much like we used to do before. Even I don't read that much how much I used to do, because I find all the information on the internet, and sometimes I feel that this is going to reduce my habit of reading, and I'm really worried about myself too. And so from today I have decided that I am going to start reading, and I'm going to start reading Harry Potter. So on that note, let me tell you, the first thing is we have to give books to our children. We have to make books available to them, because unless you give them this, you let them touch the paper, let them have the feel of this paper and the feel of turning the pages of the book, they are not going to understand what a book or what holding a book is, or what is that happiness that when you hold a book in your hand and when you read the words and when you understand that, that is the happiness that we have felt. I'm not talking about academic books, because those are essential. I'm talking about books which are not in the academics, but yes, we can read them. Yeah, so those kind of books. So the first thing I would like to tell you is start with little storybooks with lot of pictures in it, like this. So when your child will start reading, they should usually start reading by the age of 4, because that is when they identify the alphabets and they can make sounds and they can use phonetic sounds. And yes, the most important part is make your child read using the phonic sounds. Do not allow them to read without using the phonic sounds. I mean, tell them what sound it makes. For example, T makes the sound T. When it becomes TH, it makes the sound Th. So you have to teach like that. That is what I am doing to inculcate reading in my daughter. So you have to start teaching them with the phonic sounds so that they do not make mistakes. For example, messages. Let us talk about messages. So this is a very common word that we use in our communication these days. But have you ever noticed that lot of people, even us, even sometimes us, we say messages and not messages. It is E. The sound of E is A, not A. And the spelling is MESSAGES. So it is messages. That is messages and not messages or messages. So this is how your phonic sounds will come into picture here. When you teach your child to read by the phonic sounds, there will be very less chances of them mispronouncing even the most difficult words. Okay. Yeah. So coming back to books, install a small library, very small one, in your child's play area or wherever the child keeps on going all the time. So they, when you keep something in front of them, they are bound to touch it. They will touch it, they will hold it, they will try to access it. Let them access. But tell your child right from before that you are not allowed to tear the pages of the book with your hand. For example, this is a story book. They cannot tear it. They cannot tear it at all. Because first thing first, learn to respect your books. I am very, very, very serious about this stuff, that you have to respect your books and you cannot tear them, you cannot put your foot on them. Teach them to respect our books, just like our parents did to us. Our parents used to tell us you cannot touch a book with the feet, or you have to just lie down and you just have to touch it and do like this. So that is how we were taught about respect. The same we have to teach them as well. Reading with phonic sounds again is important. Read to them, read more and more stories to your children. Have this kind of books, read short stories, and enact stories with them, do role playing, and you people will also enjoy doing that, and even we will read with that. Like I have decided to read Harry Potter, and I finished the first chapter today in the morning after school with my daughter, and she is very happy because she is a fan of Harry Potter, and that is the reason why I decided to start reading it. So you people can find what your child is a fan of, and you can start doing that particular thing with your child. But please start reading. And yes, let me ask you, you people can post your comments in the comment section, and you can tell me about this. I was searching on YouTube channels, and I did not find any channel which is reading stories to you. So I would like to propose this particular thing where I can read stories to you every day. It will be a story of 5 to 6 minutes maybe. I'll read from my own books. I'll prefer going with Panchatantra stories first, because those are really good stories with very good moral and lesson at the end. So if you want me to read the stories to your child every day, you can just post a yes in the comment box and tell me that yes, we would like you reading stories to our child, and I will start posting stories from tomorrow again, along with other topics too. So with this, I would like to end this video, and have fun. Bye bye.